Percents are very useful for calculating interest. In this video, we will look at examples of calculating simple interest for different dollar amounts. Let's start with an example. A savings account earned 2.15% interest over a year. If the savings account started with $1,500, how much did it have after the year's worth of interest? This is an example of a percent increase, where the value of a number increases by a certain percentage. To calculate simple interest, use a variation of the percent of a number formula. In this formula, P is the principal, or the original amount invested, and R is the percentage rate of interest, expressed as a decimal. Let's plug in the values we have from the problem. We replace P with 1,500, the amount originally invested. We replace R with the percent written as a decimal. So we're calculating 1,500 times 1.0215, which comes out to 1,532.25. This is the amount of the original investment plus the interest earned in 1 year. Let's look at another example. A company's stock value increased 32.45% in 1 year. How much would a $10,000 investment in this company's stock be worth after 1 year? We can use the formula for simple interest to find the percent increase in the stock price. P is the initial investment, in this case $10,000, and R is the interest rate, which in this case is 32.45%. Plug these values into the formula. Here is the principal investment, $10,000. Here is the interest rate written as a decimal. We get 10,000 times 1.3245. The result is $13,245. This is the value of the stock price after 1 year. Let's look at a final example. Rare coins can be worth much more than the face value of the coin itself. Suppose a Civil War era quarter is now worth 40,000% of its original value. How much is it worth now? In this case, the principal is less than $1, and the rate is well over 100%. But the simple interest formula still applies. Let's plug in the values given in the problem. This is the principal, and this is the interest rate written as a decimal. In this case, the decimal form is a whole number, 400. We end up with 0.25 times 401. The result is $100.25 for the current value of the quarter.